Yo, YouTube, Talladega Eli here. We back with another one for Takeout Hour. I'm your host, Talladega Eli. Co-host,
Do say.
Duce Dennis. It's in the building. But yeah, man, we got an update on some of this downtown brawl stuff in Cincinnati. Downtown Cincinnati, the brawl where the guy ended up getting stomped out and all that. Yeah.
Shit.
I mean, that's what happened, bro.
Yeah, you right. You definitely right.
But yeah, so I think they're up to what? How many defendants now? Like
6.
6? Okay,
Yep.
yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what they got. Yeah.
For sure. Oh shit.
The 3 men and 2 women accused in a brutal downtown attack go in front of a judge today.
Yeah, the prosecutor asked for the judge to reconsider the bonds now that the suspects are facing new charges. Local 12's Christian Hauser was in the courtroom. He joins us now with what the judge decided and why one suspect, Christian, wasn't in court.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Kyle and Paula. Judge Alan Triggs did not increase any of the bonds during today's hearing. In fact, he lowered some of the amounts for 2 of those suspects. The bonds range from $200,000 all the way up to $500,000, and those 2 lowered bonds were dropped down to $25,000. Now, this is a very contentious hearing where accusations of racial as well as political motivation were hurled at the police and prosecution.
Rightfully so.
One by one, the suspects were led in front of the judge. Assistant Prosecutor Kip Guinan would announce their current bond and then ask the judge to keep or reconsider that amount given additional charges the grand jury indicted each person on. Now, the 6 people are facing 2 counts of aggravated rioting, 3 counts of felonious assault, and 3 counts of assault. Attorneys for each defendant argue that their clients were being overcharged and the bonds in the $200,000 to $300,000 range were extreme.
Aggravated rioting is the January 6, 2021 attack on the United States Capitol. That's a riot. You get together, you assemble, and you plan to commit a crime. That's not what happened down on 4th Street, Judge. So the weight of the evidence and the nature of the circumstances is this.
Yeah. Talk your shit, Clyde Bennett. God damn, he just told you. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's aggravated rioting.
Absolutely.
The
And
hell?
it's the fact that they all are getting 3 counts of aggravated assault.
Bro.
But the motherfucker that assaulted somebody in the first place that sparked this whole entire situation is not getting charged.
Oh.
I'm not saying that the little white woman that got knocked out should have been charged or anything like that because she was trying to break it up. But she should have been in there as a woman. But that's neither here nor there. That's neither here nor there. But the fact that man is just getting off with no consequences, like, oh, well, that ass whooping was good enough. Like, ain't no way. This shit don't make no sense at all. I don't understand it. And, yeah, that has to be said. That's why a lot of black folks feel like there's a lot of racial bias here. We probably wouldn't even feel like it's racial bias if he was getting charged too.
Yeah,
just
if
as
everybody
harshly.
was getting charged, I'd be cool.
Yeah, everybody would be cool.
Yeah.
Like, all right, well, shit, fuck it. Justice is justice.
Right.
But this isn't justice.
It's not.
This is clearly politically charged and motivated and shit. And y'all putting all them charges on them is crazy. Absolutely insane.
I mean, they didn't do this for the whole fucking the Nazis that came down here. That's aggravated rioting.
Yeah. Granted, they didn't put their hands on nobody.
They
But
didn't. But they incited.
fear.
They incited a
They were
riot.
hating,
They induced
space,
panic.
Yeah, spewing hate.
Yeah.
Them niggas ain't getting charged. They got a fucking escort out of this.
Exactly.
Bitch.
Yeah.
So, it's hard for us not to look at it from a whole different lens than a lot of white folks are looking at this shit as. Because
Yeah, man.
we'll never see eye to eye when it comes to shit like this because it's never a common ground. Absolutely. It's never a common ground. It's always, oh, well, y'all are the motherfuckers that's bad, and then we don't do shit.
Right. Yeah.
Y'all absolve yourselves of all accountability when it comes to different shit like this. But, yeah, you always try to say that we play a victim, but,
It's clearly y'all.
nigga,
It's clearly victim.
come on, man. Nigga playing victim after he put his hands on somebody. Got the consequences of your actions. But I ain't got nothing else. We can get back into the video unless you got some thoughts.
Nah, it's all right.
And for aggravated rioting is weak.
The defense attorneys all claim the charges and high bond requests were racially and politically motivated.
Absolutely.
But Guinan adamantly defended the charges, saying it's offensive for such allegations to be made.
Several defense counsels said that racial epithets were thrown at these people. That was 1 minute and 47 seconds into this brutal beatdown. Were the words said? Yes. Were they inappropriate? Absolutely. But these poor people were being assaulted, stomped, WWE style elbow drops onto.
Sir, those words were not said before this brawl. They were said. I mean,
They were
like
said
a minute
before the
47
brawl, yeah.
seconds after the brawl started.
They were said
it was
before.
before.
That's what
It
started.
was said before this brawl happened and afterwards.
Yeah.
So nah, we not hearing that shit.
Yeah,
You can miss us with that. You can miss us with that. Straight up.
Pavement. One woman was knocked out to the point that her head hit the pavement. We could be here on homicide.
The assistant prosecutor also told the court there are new videos that have not been seen by the public that will further show the severity of the attack. Now, there have been 6 people indicted, but only 5 appeared in court today. Now, that's because Patrick Roseman has yet to be brought back to the city. He was arrested in Georgia, and law enforcement went down to Atlanta to get him. But on the way back, they're actually detoured to another state to pick up a different, unrelated suspect, apparently. Now, there's no word if he'll be in town tonight, tomorrow, or maybe early next week. For now, live at the Hamilton County Courthouse, I'm Christian Hauser.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's absolutely wild.
That's wild, bro. That's wild as hell. Yeah, I feel like you said, us as black people, we wouldn't feel like this is, you know what I'm saying, racial if everybody involved was getting charged with something. That's how I feel. Like, everybody involved should have been charged. Then we'd be like, all right, I understand that. Because y'all all want to be some dumbasses down there. Mm-hmm. Y'all all suffer the consequences. But nah, you're strictly just only arresting the black people. Go figure. Go figure. I mean, it makes no sense. It makes no sense. But, you know, it is what it is. It's just showing Cincinnati's true colors, I guess.
I feel like it's just more so true human nature.
I mean, with that too.
When it comes to shit like this.
Because
I mean,
the way they covering this, bro, is crazy, bro.
Absolutely. With extreme prejudice.
We've seen way worse being done to people in a lot of videos. Just saying, bro. Just saying. That's crazy.
I was just watching a video of a bunch of white boys while they was out mudding and shit. Mm-hmm. One of them was too drunk, threw a beer in one of them's face. And then they all started jumping each other.
See?
But
They'll
it's
never
like,
show you that.
We ain't gonna hear about it.
Nah. They'll never show you that.
Nah.
And then, like, you know, like, these algorithms in the social media world definitely be, you know what I'm saying, favoring towards that too, bro. Mm-hmm. I feel. Because what the hell, bro? It's always got black people looking crazy. Mm-hmm. When in reality, everybody commits crimes. Everybody does crazy shit, bro.
Absolutely.
But they only show black people. Crazy.
Yeah, I feel like that's why I don't really speak race with other races for real like that. Just because a lot of times, like, and this was something that me and my lady, we had to kind of navigate. Because when I started going over to, like, her little school dances and shit, it seemed like, it didn't seem like anything. It was more so I was uncomfortable with being at her school because it was 99.9% white. Yeah. And I know from experience, like, dealing with motherfuckers that come from those type of backgrounds, they're quite literally uncultured.
Oh, facts.
And they don't know how to talk to people with other cultures. And their whole perception of those other cultures is through the media. Yeah. The internet and the media. So it's like, it's hard for me to even want to be friends with you when it's like, I'm on edge because it's like, I know you got certain racial biases that you done learned ignorantly. It's not like it's your fault because, I mean, that's just what you grew up around. That's all you know. I can't get mad at you for, you know, doing some shit that's based off of what you've been taught since you were young. That's all your people was around. Yeah. But us, like, if we talk about a school like Princeton and Cincinnati, Ohio,
it was
very,
diverse.
very, very much so diverse.
Very diverse.
And we have very
went
few.
To school with everybody.
Yeah, exactly. And we have very few white folks that we viewed as racist, like actual racist. It was probably, you could probably name 5 off the top of your head, if that. Yeah. But other than that, everybody was cool. Everybody got along because
that's a fact.
You grew up around those different cultures. Like, we done had Asian, Vietnamese people in our classes.
Polynesian.
Yeah, Polynesian, Mexicans, Guatemalans, all types of different
people
shit.
From Denmark.
Yeah.
All type of stuff. It was,
yeah, it's like a melting pot.
It was so many different people there. Yeah. Definitely.
And it's just, and it's funny because like, including those racist motherfuckers, one of them was like Middle Eastern.
Yeah.
And it's like,
facts. Oh man, facts.
it was just like, it was very few of those. Like we didn't have to really encounter that with our own classmates for real.
Yeah, you're not lying, because like it's people that I work with that's kind of like how you was talking about, how they only went to school with their type of people, and they really didn't like, they really weren't around black people until they started working. I'm like, damn.
So it's like all you know is just, oh well, this is what they saying on the news. Who am I always seeing on the news?
Right. Because they control the narrative.
Exactly. So, and it's always funny when you have like, other ethnic backgrounds that aren't white people that be speaking on issues like this. And it's like, my nigga, do you not see how you be portrayed in the media? They be calling y'all grapists. You know what I mean? And criminals. And they don't care if you got your papers or not. You damn near, it don't matter. You illegal as far as they know. You a target,
bro.
So I mean, it's always pretty interesting how that shit goes to me.
Facts. They be tripping, bro. That shit be funny as hell.
It's just very interesting to see. But yeah, I ain't got too much else.
I got 3 letters for that, but I ain't gonna even say it. You know what I'm saying?
What you got?
It's 3-letter word, bro. That's all I'm
saying. Oh, I already know what you about to say.
Yeah. I ain't gonna say it though.
Hell nah. But that's all I got, man. Shit.
Sure.
This has been the Takeout Hour. Please do like, share, and share y'all comments down in the comment section below.
Oh yeah, and also for the whole Cincinnati justice system right now, before we get out of here, we gotta get y'all thumbs down, bro. Cause right now y'all are dropping the ball. So that's all we got. But peace.